Hello guys, we are going to review Excel remove software from Sobolsoft.com. So let's go to Sobolsoft.com and just download the software so that we can review it. Okay, Sobolsoft.com is spelled as Sobolsoft.com. Let's click on the Excel remove software now so that we can download it. Okay, let's click on download to download this application. Let's click on save file. Okay, let's click on setup and run the setup. Let's click on next. Click on next, next, install. Okay, here are some instructions that you can use to enable this application in your Excel. There may be problems with security, that is why these steps are given. Let's click on launch application and finish. Okay, here is a problem with security in my Microsoft Excel. So in such a case, you need to follow a simple step. Just click on tools, click on options, click on security, click on macro security and make it medium. Click on OK, click on OK. Close the application. Okay, here you are going to click on enable macros so that it gets added. Yes, it has successfully added into your Microsoft Excel. Here is the tab. Let's open a file and test that application if it really works. I have a couple of files. One is a small file and other is the large file. So let's first check. Okay, here is a small file with the name of students and the course they are pursuing. So if you can see, there are some spaces before the course name here. There are spaces here, 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 and I don't want these spaces at all. I want them to be arranged very nicely so that I can get a good printout. So if I don't have the Sobolsoft software, I'm going to click on this, remove the spaces manually. There is no other option. But if I have this software, select it, then click on remove extra spaces at the beginning of selected cells. Click on it. Now there are no spaces at all, so it actually saved around 30 minutes of time. Otherwise it could have taken more than 30 minutes to keep on removing spaces and making it better so that I can get a good printout if the list was of like 100 records. So here you go. So it works on a smaller file. Let's check what else we can do with the software. We can remove X character. Okay, we can clear. This seems interesting. Clear entire cells containing. Suppose I want to clear the cells that contain COBOL. So it is COBOL. I just say OK and they're gone. So if the list was long, I could have to keep on adding filters, then arrange it according to the filter and then try deleting them. But here I have done it in less than 30 seconds of time. So that seems helpful again. Okay, let's check the application in the longer file. Now this file contains nearly thousands of records. So let's try to work it out on this file. So let's try to use clear entire cells containing X. That means X is something that we are going to define. Okay, let's put X as MS. We'll just put MS and click on OK. Okay, all these cells are gone. Let me check if they are gone in all the records. Okay, as you can see, the list is long and the software performed really well and quick. So I'm impressed. So if I want to use this software on this column, because it contains alphabet and numbers, so I'll try to remove only alphabets from it so that I can get plain numbers. Let's say remove. See, I have only numbers. Now this is fantastic. It really does the job well. So this software is priced at $29.99. The only disadvantage I saw with this application is once you make the changes, you cannot undo the changes. If I do Control Z or if I go to edit and click on undo, it doesn't undo. So that is the only problem with the software, but it really works well, and it really works with both forms of data, whether it's a long or large list of data or small or shorter list of data. So I have a thumbs up for it. You also go get it. Thank you.